I'm looking forward to going back to school because I can see my friends, I can see my teachers. My name's Roberts and I go to Ysgol Y Creuddyn in Pendon. At home I've been doing maths work and language work. I've had some science work. We've been looking at power stations across the country. I feel like face-to-face time with teachers, they'd be a great help. I feel like they can explain in much more detail face-to-face rather than on message or on show me homework or an app like that. I think the way we've been learning in lockdown will help me in the future. It's helped me become more independent. I've learned how to manage my time better, and I feel like that will help me in college or in university.
Becca enjoys school, she enjoys socialising with her friends. Therefore, she's found it quite hard to try and motivate herself to work from home. So having that 4 days before the summer holidays, I feel will be a great help to her. Because Becca's in year 10 and she's in the middle of her GCSE course, we have been quite worried about how the situation will affect her academically and emotionally. So having that 4 days before the summer holidays, I feel will be a great help to her, just to catch up with friends, to have that face-to-face contact with the teachers, to discuss work that she's found difficult to complete, and just to have a bit of normality and routine back into her life. We feel very lucky to be a part of the Creuddyn family. It's quite obvious that the staff have worked extremely hard to put things in place to make sure it is as safe as possible for the pupils to return on Monday.